Now, as you can see here, I will explain how to fix AI video errors step by step. The marker in CapCut on your phone, here's how to fix it easily. First and foremost, we always need to check the internet connection for issues. Because various AI functions in CapCut or other applications require internet, they always require a stable internet connection, and it needs to be quite strong for optimal use. If you have Wi-Fi but can't use AI features, let's explore some troubleshooting options together. If Wi-Fi isn't working, try switching to mobile data for better connectivity. If mobile data isn't working, you can simply restart your router. Now, let's restart the router and reconnect to Wi-Fi carefully. If it didn't work out, you can simply restart the device to try again, carefully. CapCut can be helpful in most cases, but sometimes it simply doesn't work, as you can see. Just close it completely and then open it again, as you can see here. Once again, as seen, can often freeze during request submission, so be patient and try again. As you can see here, you can simply restart your device, as you can see. If it still didn't work, and in your video there are many various issues, let's explore how to effectively resolve them together. Heavy AI effects can be complex, as you can see here. If your video has many scenes, you can simplify it a bit, as shown. Project in detail. Remove all heavy effects and complex scenes from your video for better performance, as shown. You just need to remove everything unnecessary from your video, as you can see here. Let's make it a bit lighter and easier to use for CapCut, as you can see here. And for you too. That's all for now. Basically, I've shared this with you, and you can clear it too. Clearing the cache in your CapCut app is also something you can definitely do. Simply go to Settings, carefully clear the cache. This step is also necessary. Do this regularly, as you can see here, to clear CapCut's cache. There's quite a bit of cache, more than just a little. That's all there is. Thank you all for watching. Good luck. Goodbye.